Okay. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can add 1 tablespoon if you're doing low fat. But if you're doing low fat like I usually do, I would do 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, maybe 2 tablespoons, somewhere around there. Some cornmeal, a tablespoon. Sweetener, about a tablespoon. Agave, 1 tablespoon or so of maple, because I want the maple flavor. I don't want it to be the sugar in it. Just want to be the flavor. Do a little vanilla. Here I have 1 cup of non-dairy milk with a squeeze of orange juice and squeeze of lemon juice. It's just to create a buttermilk. You know how it is. This is at Advanced Vegan Cooking, baby. If you're a beginner, let me know in the comments below. If you're not, we're going to go ahead and be advanced. I'm cooking for advanced vegans. So I'm going to mix this up. All right, a couple more ingredients. Next up is our flours, baking powder, and whole wheat flour. I like to use whole wheat flour. Now we're just going to combine this together. At this point, I can add my blueberries or any berries that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using blueberries, and these are frozen, and I added some flour around it. Oh, yes. It's a really good mix. Okay, ready. Now let's put it in the molds. And there you have it, our amazing muffins. They're still a little hot, so I'm going to allow them to cool down. Look at them. They smell very peanut buttery, so I wish I wouldn't have added too much peanut butter. So I would recommend, if you don't want it to be too peanut buttery, to add 1 tablespoon instead of 3. But other than that, allow them to cool and enjoy them at every breakfast or a dessert or snack. Now enjoy these delicious muffins for breakfast, for a treat, or for a simple holiday present, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be giving it to my family that are coming from Oregon, and I'm super excited to give them these gifts. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Happy holidays. Love you. Bye-bye.